Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable on a Dell Inspiron 7572. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove bottom base. Then unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and disconnect antenna cables. Then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Then use fingers to pry apart and separate display bezel. Then unscrew and remove display hinge. Now gently lift apart and turn over screen. Then disconnect display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.